Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to put Android on Vibrate. As we all know, we have a different options right here depending on what brand are you using. But we just try these three methods and how you put Android on Vibrate. So first, you need to see and check your notification panel. So sometimes when you swipe down right there, you will find a vibrate icon as you can see on my phone and as you can see on your screen right now. So if you tap that vibrate, it will automatically put that Android on vibrate. Now the second option or second method that you're going to try is using that volume button. So for example, I want to go that volume up, and if I hold that volume down right here, so I just try. So we'll try that one and it will automatically go to vibrate option. So if we tap that silent mode, so you can try if it's gonna go to vibrate mode. And you can go on the third options or third method. You can check your settings and go to the sounds and vibration. So you can manually set up your vibrate options here too. So vibrate for calls, vibrate in silent mode. So you can toggle that on or vibrate on tap. So well, every Android phone has that setting. So you just have to find that vibrate settings so you can manually set up on your Android phone. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.